I highly recommend SchoolDude for any facility, whether it be private, public, to help track their costs and energy.
The maintenance solution helps us with our preventive maintenance and our daily work orders. So we're able to use those and combine to make sure we get everything accomplished that we need to and on a timely schedule.
Biggest benefit of SchoolDude's maintenance solution is, for me, is the convenience. The way we're able to write notes to each other, communicate back and forth. I know almost real time what has happened in my school and who has been there and who has been able to either solve the problem or come up with a solution, or whatever that may be. The notes, all the information is there for me at any given time.
The district provides us as a head custodian the iPads, which is very handy. One of the things, since I use this now is for years, is very handy into getting to any issue arise. I do have the iPad with me, which I create a work order on the spot. I'm able to attach a picture to that work order, be able to forward this to anyone I need to, include the operation maintenance director.
I've worked with SchoolDude since 2004, and bringing it to Gresham-Barlow has been great. I would recommend it to your school district for multiple reasons, but it has multiple tools. To us, started out as Maintenance Direct. Maintenance Direct then blended in with PM Direct because we could schedule our work. Once we did those two programs, we looked at really scheduling our facilities, and with 1.7 million square feet, 20 sites, we needed to really blend that into our facility use. And being able to kind of think about the management of that, we're using utilities with it. And so the SchoolDude platform of products, being able to pick and choose what you had to use or got to use, being able to blend that with the Energy Manager now, you can look at efficiencies and find out, are you spending too much? Is it cost for facility use? Is it maybe, are we doing more PM in that school? Is it really being effective? And so you can start using that data across platform to be able to manage your facilities. And if I were at your school district, I would recommend it to you, no matter how your size.